alright, we live, but I gotta use it. What it is does do to the fucking family, cuh. My B. I had to use the restroom real quick, right? But I wanted to mark this up so we can see what's going on here with gold. So far for the day, I'm still bullish for gold. I feel like right now we're pulling back. We'll have to see. We'll have to see how everything closes, right? But if we can get like a nice, if this 30-minute can end up closing bullish, then I think the buys will be nice, right? I think we can see some beautiful buys moving back up. We're starting to see the US dollar regain some strength though, but we'll have to see what this ends up doing. I will say it ain't looking too hot yet. So if it does end up continue moving back down into here, then we could definitely see a bullish move on gold today. Otherwise, if we can close below here, I'll look for sells. Alright. So that's what I'm looking for today. I'm looking for us to create a support either in here, in this area here, to continue moving up. Or for colors below here. New color scheme is beautiful. I know, bro. That's what I'm saying, dude. New color scheme is fucking beautiful. So let's look at GJ. We'll have to see. I feel like GJ is kind of doing the same thing, where it did a pullback to this daily support. If you drop down the 4 hour, it looks like we are creating a bit of a support to move up as well. We'll have to see like how the 1 hour and everything closes though. Like I think if we can close above here on GJ, above this area here, then we can see some nice buys moving up for GJ. Alright, you got clean traffic to the left hand side. Otherwise, if we can come in close below these candles right here, then I'll look for the sells for GJ. That's it for today, honestly. And then actually we'll go and look at NAS and everything real quick. So it does look like NAS is starting to drive down too. We got our closure below here. We should continue moving down. But this is my NAS chart. Maybe we could pull back into here and then continue moving up for NAS. And continue this. Move up ski. It might just make a deeper pullback or something to here, right? But otherwise, if we can, let's see the 4 hour. I don't know. 4 hour do look like it wants to just keep bleeding, honestly. Tough. I wanted to see buys up on. I wanted to see a support created in here, but we never got that engulfing candle within this area here. So obviously no confirmation for this thing to move up really at all. The only confirmation I would have said was maybe after you seen this candle print, one of like this candlestick pattern in here. This would have probably been the only valid buys, but at the same time, like you could have gone in. It went up like 13 points or like 10 pips or whatever. So we'll see. We'll see. US 30, same thing. I don't have all my extra zones drawn up for this one though. So give me a quick second. The fuck did I just click? I don't know. Why your chart look different? I changed the scheme. I like it. I've always really liked the white, and I've always liked like a bluer. Like my MetaTrader has always been blue and red. So I found this color, and I really liked it. It's not green, but it's like not like a dark blue. So I don't know. It's like a teal. And I've always liked having black wicks and borders. I feel like it's easier to see. The white makes it a tad easier to see. See, yeah, exactly. I feel like that. Well, that's just because you have black wicks and borders and shit now. All right, so gold's driving down into this area here. So let's see if it continues to bleed, and then if we can close below here for maybe some sells. We got like eight or so minutes here. This was a crazy pack runner play, bro, right here. Alright, Ski. Alright, Ski. Pass me your friend, Ski. Gold on our fucking rampage. I will say, like, if this 4 hour does break below this wick here, I don't know, boys. This shit does look like it wants to melt. So maybe we will look for the sells here. We need that closure below here, though. Or we'll wait for the support. Like, if we end up creating a support in here, I would not be opposed to looking for buys at all. I think the buys could be beautiful. Oh, I thought I was on the 15 minutes, so I was like, what? Nice. Let's see what my NZD USD pair looking like. So if we're seeing dollar strength too, we might see like a 4 hour pack runner on NU. And I've been watching this pair because the price action either way where this thing goes is gonna be clean as fuck. Excuse my language. But let me mark this off where this wick is. So I think like for NU, if we could break below here, definitely would look for some sells. Or like if you want to do it this way. You've got this support that you could wait to close below for NZD USD. But it would make sense for it to keep moving down because we're starting to see some dollar strength, right? We're starting to see USD create somewhat of a support around this area here, right? And you're starting to see that weekly candle pull back after we've seen that little bounce in the equity markets, right? or what? We'll have to see if VIX wants to keep driving up too. If VIX keeps driving up, this is the volatility index. If this thing starts driving back up again, then you can definitely assume that US 30 and everything should keep melting. US 30 and NAS both. But if you look at the 1 hour too, right? So we are breaking below here. It might just shoot real quick, but we'll wait and see if we can get a decent top wick for this to keep moving down though, right? It just blew past all these wicks here. But definitely still looking to see if we can't take the sells here somehow, alright? But I'm gonna want a nice top wick. Bro, I almost just fucking inhaled the spoon, bro. Did anybody hear that shit? Like clanked off my teeth and everything. Good luck, Sandy. Dude, I keep fucking forgetting. I'm like so ass as a content fucking creator, bro. Oh, I accidentally clicked Raw Dust stream. Oh, whoa! Yo, good thing I did, bro. Looks like GJ's starting to come move up. I meant to click on my stream, but I'm subbed him, so like, here, look. I accidentally clicked on his shit. Alright, I'm liking the GJ buys, boys, so I ain't gonna lie. Let this thing make a nice bottom wick right here, and then I'm definitely in for these buys once this thing flips and starts breaking this high here on GJ. Alright, give it a second. Give it a second. I'll tell you when I'm in. Alright, so I'm in these GJ buys here. And for now, I'm going to keep my stop loss below previous 30-minute candle for about 18 pips, right? But once we hit about 10 pips right here, or about 7 pips or so, we'll go break even. and then I'll look to secure around 10. Alright, but then you could have full target runners up here for like 60 something pips, right? But where's our 10 at? What is my exact? 372. Right, this thing might make a little bit of a steeper bottom wick and pull back some, or tap into here or something. That's why I'm keeping my stop loss below previous 30-minute candle. Let me get that link up though into the Discord. YouTube live streams. Let's see what gold's looking like. Oh, so it looks like gold is fucking juicing, boys. I think you could take these buys if we start breaking above this high here on the 15. But I'm in GJ right now, so yeah. But I do like these buys here. This 1 hour is like respecting the support and everything. We haven't gotten a candle closure yet, but as you can see, we're exploding once you go to a lower time frame, right? We broke the highs of the previous. We're at this level here on the 4 hour. You hit break even on what? I'm not break even on GJ yet. to turn it up. Let's see. Ooh. Never broke that high there. Let's see if this thing just pulls back into here and then starts juicing again. Watch GJ though. I do think if this we'll see how everything looks. But we might get like 15-minute pack runners. Like depending on how this thing closes. Your camera's messed up, blurry. Oh, I need to change the chat. How does that look? Lower it'll focus on you. Why, bro? It's fine. It ain't blurry on my screen. Let's see. I don't know. If we can get this 15 and close like a very weak bullish candle, I think this next 30 or next half of this 30 and the next 15 minute, we might see a pack runner. We'll see though. We'll see though. Let's see what GJ does here, fam. Yeah, I don't know, boys. Gold looking like she ready to melt. It's like 45 pip stops, so if you take it at the break at the low. So I think wait for the 15 to close. Wait for the 15 to close, and then like if it makes a little bit of a, we'll have to see. Like I want to take gold too. I'm in GJ. You got in gold. You're on from the 5 minute. From here, I think it's gonna keep continuing down. I think it is, especially like with how big of a wick we made here, right? I'm starting to like the pack runners on gold, boys. I ain't gonna even lie to y'all. Alright, we'll have to see how GJ closes though. I might manage some risk here, boys. Crazy as fuck. 1 hour. Like I still think this has a chance to play out. It might just pull back some, right? The 1 hour close above. Everything is 30-minute close above as well. I'll manage risk if we close back below here. If we don't though, there's a chance that this thing could go up on the next 15 minute. Eight, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, so I'm not gonna do anything with GJ. We close bullish on this 15 and we close above this area here still. So I'm not gonna do anything. Let's see if oh, so I might take gold here too, boys. But like I wanna see it make a nice top wick and then like once it comes and flips here and breaks this low here. So right now it's like a 12. Okay, drive up some more, drive up some more. And then if it comes down and breaks the previous 15 low, then we might get like, well, it won't be a pack runner anymore because this thing didn't close, what you call it. Didn't close bullish. More there, your boy be watching. Alright, so it's starting to come down now. Let's see if this thing flips and breaks this low. It's going to be like a 25 pip stop if it comes and does that, right? But then it'll be this 30-minute candle with a nice top wick. And then it's going to come and re-break its own low here. And then we should have and same thing with the 1 hour as well, right? So I might just do, honestly, is put like a sell stop in. And then it'll be from where this top wick is right here, like 25 pips, like I said, right? GJ moving nicely too. Alright, let's see. Not in yet. I gave my thing a little bit of breathing room as well, right? But I'll let you know when I'm in. Bro, GJ be fucking playing, dog. Okay, so I'm in gold. Alright, so I'm in gold. And my stop loss is currently above this current 15-minute candle high. And then once we get about like 10 or so pips, I'm going to go break even and look to secure some, right? So this is our first target. It kind of went like hella quick, but this should keep moving down here, right? Okay, this thing fucking... Gold got some volume to it right now, bro. We just broke the lows of the previous 30-minute and 1 hour as well. Alright, beautiful. what you think that should be closed below 1808. I mean, if we close below, then that's extra confirmation, right? But it's like we're failing to make any sort of support here. And we seen this candle make a huge top wick on the initial open of the MY open. We even had a 5-minute candle come and close below here. 5-minute, 15 didn't just yet, but it made a nice top wick, like a 25 pip top wick. Came down and broke the lows. We're still in this, so let's see what happens. We're in GJ as well. Alright, so hopefully this next 5-minute will give us a nice. I will say, gold be bugging right now. A little misleading. I had to change it. I'm still in these. We'll see. We'll see. Let me look at the lower time frame. Alright, so GJ, I'm going to move my stops to break even, and I'm going to look to secure some here too, right? We just hit our 10 pip mark on GJ, and our full target's up here for about 60 pips. Beautiful, beautiful. And we got like 5 or so minutes for this 30-minute to close. Let's see if we can get some more juice here up before we close. Nice. Beautiful. 15 pips right now for GJ. We'll see what happens here with gold. It's getting a little ugly, but we'll see, we'll see, we'll see. Yeah, nah, I don't know. It looks like we might get stopped on gold. Am I still in? No, damn, bro. This just hit my stops. Spread got me. Let's see if it ends up playing out. I don't know. We'll see. But I got stopped on this. Right, so the idea for this was that this first 15-minute candle, right, we made a very huge, very steep top wick here, right? You'd have to rewind the stream, honestly, but then came back down, closed bearish. Then we got a nice top wick initially, right? And this is what our stop loss was. And then came and closed below and broke the lows of the 30-minute and the 1 hour, and broke below all these wicks here. So that was what that trade was. And when you get big wicks like this, you can anticipate that with the volume, the price may continue to just drive down, right? After it made a nice top wick, came down. It is. We got ourselves a win here on the GJ though. GJ been my baby. I ain't gonna even lie to y'all. What's the DXY looking like as well? Okay, so like we said earlier when we drew this out, it looks like the DXY after we had this nice engulfment, nice engulfing 1 hour candle. This 4 hour looking like it wants to drive down. So like we had said, if we're gonna keep driving down, USR are gonna be weak. There's a chance that gold might make a move up. Right, because when we started this huge move down on the DXY, was at the same time that we saw gold start to drop. So what was that? This is the 4 hour. This started on the 12th at 1500. So let's go to the 4 hour for gold. Okay, maybe it's a little bit different. But we are bearish on gold and everything for right now. We'll have to see. We got a new 30-minute candle here. And it looks like we have created a decent support in here now. Alright, now it looks like that one just go ahead and break even. But it's probably gonna keep driving up. Yes, lads, buy gold. Trade was good, but gold did a gay thing. Yeah, facts. Like I said, we'll see what happens here. The 4 hour is still very bearish. And the 1 hour has yet to close. It'll be unfortunate if we got stopped out on this candle and then this thing does eventually come down. But honestly, we got good top wicks on these candles, so it was like, what? I don't know. I didn't need to use the. It would have been like a 45 pip stop compared to like a 25 pip stop, right? Which is huge. But we'll see what happens. Let's see. I wonder if this thing can't break its high and then start to drive up, right? But thing is, like, I just have my trade on gold. What I thought I wanted to happen. Even if this thing does start fucking flying to the moon, it is, bro. I have my loss. I gotta sit out and wait a little. And plus, I've already had my trade on GJ as well. And then it's like, at this point, you ought to just wait for the new 4 hour candles. We'll have to see. But it's like, this is the US dollar index, right? So if this thing is gonna actually keep moving up, then gold should keep coming down, right? Hypothetically. Let's see what NZD USD looking like too. So it never did what I wanted it to. It looks like we're still ranging. Dude, whenever this thing either breaks above here or closes below here, it's gonna be my first ever trade on the NZD USD, bro. Possibly, like if I see it when it happens. If it happens whenever I'm not on the chart looking at it, then probably won't. Looks like we are respecting the 129 level for UJ as well. Once the US dollar completes its pullback though, and starts to continue moving up if it does, which it should, because in my opinion, we're retesting these highs, previous highs. Where the f did I just go? Well, I guess it didn't. Okay, yeah. If you go to the weekly and then the monthly, I mean, you can't see it quite on the monthly, but this candle did pull back. You can see to these highs here. That 103.5 level. You can see wicks here, bro. Wicks here, bro. Gold looks good to keep moving up though. Bit of a wacky ass 4-hour candle, I will say. This thing did make a nice top wick and reject here and then come down. Break lows too. We'll see how the 4-hour ends up closing. I think if we can come back above here, and it'll probably want to close like a doji bullish candle. If this 4-hour flips, I'm gonna be eating. Did you take the buys? Yo, join the voice, Nasty. Join the voice, Nasty. Go to the AA server. You too, Danny, if you're in here, bro. Dude, on God, I'm about to just hand the stream to Nasty, bro.
Hey, yo.
Hey, yo. You hosting the next stream, bro.
I'm hosting next stream. What it is, Dustin?
Dude, big engulfing candles here on a 30 for GJ. Let's see how I want to see how this thing ends up closing and all that. Yo, what up, Albert? Your halal friend is here, bro. What's Nas in US 30 looking like as well? Yeah, it's still bleeding by the looks of it. You see. Yeah, nah, it's bleeding.
4 hour looking like a high flute.
I bet you it will, honestly. Especially like this 15 is gonna close above here, bro. even if she closes in this zone, I would think that, like, honestly, we made a clean move down, created support at this, like, I would say, more important, so to say, level. Because this is like a minor intraday level. And then, like, you skip the 4 hour, you can see. Got 8 pips on gold shorts. Dude, I ain't gonna lie. I didn't even get to see, when we were in the gold trade, I didn't even get to see, like, how many pips went up or any of that shit, bro. Because it was fucking going crazy. Like, at first I thought we got slipped. And then, I don't even know, bro. That shit was wild. But what, I got, like, 15 pips on GJ buys earlier. And then I took a L on gold tough, though.
Yeah, I got 10 on the GJ one you called.
Sheesh, dude, look at this fucking GJ 4 hour, bro. It be looking like she about to do a damn pack runner.
Oh yeah, imagine this last 15, it just flips, starts driving down.
Facts.
Honestly, looking like what it's about to do.
I think it will, honestly. I think that GJ wants to come and close back below 160s. The weekly candle went up. I feel like if we were to move up, it would have wanted to do it, like, on this 4 hour.
Yeah.
And now it's like you got this 1 hour candle engulfing the previous after it faked out. Dude, big fake outs across the board, in my opinion. Over the last 2 days, like, bro, we had a nice closure above here on Nas, bro. I mean, I guess we kind of closed right at resistance on the 4 hour technically. But, like, if you drop down, like, let's look. I'm not gonna lie, I feel like my charts are looking clean with this new layout.
Yeah, I like that way better.
Sheesh. I think you might be right, homie.
GJ about to schmo this last 15. My gold might come to break even. I secured most at 20 pips, so it'd be good if it does.
You take it once it broke the high of the 15 or the high of the 30?
30.
Beautiful. Honestly, that shit's fire. I think it initially drove up. Once it opened, I could be wrong though.
Yeah, it came up a little bit and then it went back down, and then once it
Yeah,
came up
I
the second
see.
time is when I entered it.
God damn, bro, look at this damn fucking pin bar, fucking 1 minute, and then juice. Let's see, it's right at my level. I had that 1 minute. What do you call it? Level. I deleted it because it was making my shit look ugly. Let's see what happens though.
I wonder if gold's just gonna like range between like 1815, 1808.
I wonder. I feel like we're just in a really goofy position for gold right now. Like cause we're back at this like crazy support that like we couldn't break like for over fucking like a year and a half. If you drop for the monthly, it might be a little easier to see. Dude, I wish we could just get weeks like last week. Last week was the fucking most beautiful week ever. Sheesh. Now I'm curious to see how the everything closes. Honestly, like this 4 hours got no more time to close. We'll see though. I do think the US dollar is gonna continue moving back down in here though. By how it looks now, how the 1 hour looks like it wants to close. And that would mean a bullish move for gold.
Hopefully, I still have a little bit run.
Dude, it loves this damn 1812 level, bro. 1812.5. It should be showing mad love to it on the 1 minute. Mm. Mm.
I hit my break even.
See, our NASDAQ be looking like shit. Goddamn bleeders. Dude, I ain't even gonna lie, bro. NASDAQ price action, always so fucking clean, bro. Every time frame, honestly. See what US 30s looks like, honestly. I'm expecting big bleeder day today for the stock market. With at least how this is looking right now, bro. Unless we get like a damn tweezer 4 hour and this fucking thing shoots up on this next one. Let's see how everything closes. Give it like 2 more minutes so that way I can get my Damn, I just seen that on the thing, bros. How long ago did you say that? Press the like button or Putin will nuke you. That's what the boy Albert said. Yo, the Spanish bots got to my found the YouTube, bro. Look at this shit. Look at these comments they be leaving on my shit. A legendary. I'm not clicking that fucking link. I don't even know what none of this shit even says. Something about an enchantment table. También me gusta. So I'm pretty sure this means me too. I like the ultimate. Hold on, bro. Let's Google translate it. I also like the last outfit, is what that says. Okay, so I said me too. I like the ultimate.
También me gusta el último atuendo.
Wait, so Ultima doesn't mean ultimate?
No, it means last, I guess.
What? Since when?
Latest, ultimate, or last, most recent, I guess. I don't know. Since when, bro? I don't fucking know. And then what the fuck's that? Atuendo. Attire.
I think that's attire. Yeah, I was gonna say, I think that's attire.
También. What else did they say? How about I just Google translate this whole ass bitch? Alrighty, so we did get, like, I would say, a little bit of a decent 4-hour closure on GJ, but with the way that this 1-hour closed, if we can drop down and close below here, I think that we'll definitely continue moving down. Like, it looks like it wants to do a damn pack on the 4-hour.
Right. You play.
Like, it wants to do one of these. Except upside down. Right, like this would be the bullish candle. With that big top wick. Except this would be the other way around. Gold. So we did close bearish on gold on the 4-hour, but we still close above here. So I don't know. I think gold might be just chalk for the rest of the day. Especially
yeah,
like especially with where
so I'm definitely like a spectator for the rest of the day.
Yeah, that's what I'm about to say. I think I'm probably gonna end the stream here soon just because I had my 2 trades already, and I'm honestly not really looking to take anything else. So it looks like US30 did make no bottom. Oh no, it has a little one, but I don't know. You can anticipate this to probably keep melting. I mean, unless it does that damn tweezer play like we were talking about, where it respects the support. But it's looking like we got a lot of bearish momentum. So we'll go NAS, same thing for NAS. We'll see what gold wants to do, honestly. And then GJ, I mean, I would anticipate it to keep melting. Unless we maybe start to fill a wick to the upside, but I don't know. We just got a nice engulfing 1 hour candle close. Engulfing bearish 1 hour candle, right? So hold on a second. Alright, boys. But I have my 2 trades already, so I'm gonna dip, honestly. I'll say stay safe today. Market kind of in a goofy position. I like GJ more than anything. It's just tough because of where we're at in the market right now, right? I'd rather wait. I do think the sells for everything looks better, or at least for NAS, for US 30 at this point. But we'll see, because we are moving up still. Like if we go to, like we've been printing higher highs, at least here and here on the 4 hour, and then like there's a possibility that this could be a new low, higher low here, and we could continue moving up. But I'm not sure. By the looks of it, we're seeing a lot of bearish momentum, and in the higher time frame essence, everything we are bearish as well. So let's see what gold's look. Let me take one last look at gold too. Gold's just really ugly right now, bro, because it's like we're in between like this range right here on the 4 hour. Right, and then like look at this shit. I will say it did just juice up and break above this high here, so I don't know. Maybe if we do close above this area here on gold, we did close bullish on the 1 hour and the 30-minute previously, so maybe this thing could continue up. But you'll have to wait and see, honestly, and it's like these are just like, in my opinion, at times where you just like kind of want to sit away from the charts, bro. Like let the cleaner moves come to you, right? Like so that's why I took like I took the sells when they were there because we had nice clean traffic. But like I also took these buys on GJ because of the same reason. We closed above this resistance here, boom, I got my 15 pips and I was out. GJ about to fucking do a nosedive though. Broke that previous 4 hour low. Daily candle looks like it wants to keep driving down. Alright, we talked about how this is a nice engulfing 4 hour candle too that just faked out to the upside. 30-minute candle too. So lots of bearish momentum for GJ. I think that this thing can continue back down towards 159.400. But that's enough talking, bro. Yeah, so I don't know. If y'all are looking to take anything today, I think these GJ sells would be fucking beautiful, in my opinion. But other than that, I would say just wait for that closure below here. Right. And then see what happens. See what happens with GJ, right? But we did just go down and break that 4 hour low. It'd be a damn crazy shame if this thing just started to fill in the wick eventually. But that's it for me, boys and girls. Boys, girls, slime, slat, zoes, mafia members, gang affiliates. I'm gonna let this shit play at the drop. And I'm gone, baby. Fuck, I missed the button.